Hallelujah. I can see the Comet Lemmon again. It's brighter actually in respect to the last time that I saw it. Okay, now I'm going to photograph it. Yeah, that's the Comet Lemmon. I'm going back to the view and you can see that. Yeah. Beautiful. And the sky is not even dark yet. And I can see it. Amazing. It's very is fainter than the Chan comet, but it's actually yeah. I'm impressed that I can see it. So I'm now changing to 3 second the exposure. Yeah, you can see that. And let me just go into the screen. Yeah, you can see it here. Beautiful. I'm impressed. Amazing. Okay, I'm going with the same, but I've slightly zoomed on it now. Let's just see what's the difference it will be. Yeah, oh yeah, that's really good. That is impressive. And the satellite was passing. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, I'm increasing the exposure to 4 seconds. Yes, that is even better. Look at the tail of it. This has a very dynamic tail. And many observers have reported that. Very bright. This is a mountain of ice, bigger than Everest, in the sky, hurtling around the solar system from one corner to the next. And we can see it. It's practically evaporating the ices, and then in the interaction with the solar wind, which is the charged particles, it gets ionized and it starts to glow faintly. And from a distance, it's so huge that we can see it from this distance. The head of it at the moment, the halo, is probably several times the size of the Earth. Sometimes they get as big as the sun. But because they're very rarefied, very, almost like equal to vacuum, they don't have much density, just very faint glow. Okay, I have now slightly increased the zoom. Let's just see if we can get it. Or will it get lost in the sky? Oh no, yeah, it's here, it's here. Let's just go back to the gallery. Aha, yes. Beautiful. Amazing. I'm trying to bring it to the yeah. So let's just move it this way. Near the center. Yeah. Make it easier to see. Amazing. And I'm just showing from the screen, if I go for the file I will see much better. Now I'm seeing it. This is slightly bigger zoom, of course, and you can see that is beautiful and amazing. Look at the head of it. And it's getting this darker gradually, the sky. So let me just see if I can take a picture of it. Yes, easily I can record it with the mobile phone. Very easy. It's brighter than the magnitude 4. It must be 3.5 or something like that. Okay, now I've increased the zoom a little bit more. Let's just see if I can catch it again. Yes, beautiful. Let's see it again. It's beautiful. So many satellites also we see everywhere. So I want to see a little bit more of the tail of it, so I'm just increasing the ISO to double that amount. It may increase the noise, but anyway, we have no other choice but just to try it. Yeah, not bad actually. Got it well. Oh, the tail is really visible. Yeah, nice. Let me go now, increase it to the next level. Let's go 12,800 ISO. Yeah, not bad, not bad. I'm impressed. Can record the tail. And I can see almost the ionic tail, which is the straight one going upward, and the dust tail, which is slightly to the right of that. So quite impressive. Yeah, it has a very distinct ionic and dust tail. You can see this. Of course, for a trained eye, I'm talking about. Don't worry if you don't see it. Just you have to get used to identifying them. So I'm now going beyond that. The highest ISO, so 25,600. Let's see. Ooh, very bright, but yet you can see the tail. Let me go and yeah. Let me zoom on it. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Very impressive. Of course, we are getting a lot of sky glow also. All the lights around us. So I think I will come down to. I will come down to. Not that. I will come back to 6,000 or 12,800. As the time passes, it's getting, of course, darker the sky, and so you will see more details. Yes, that's what I like. Let's go and see again. Yes, beautiful, beautiful. So I've zoomed on the screen of the camera so you can see that better. It's very more clear when you look with the eye. I will just upload the photo probably if I can do it tonight. But anyway, this is the view, beautiful view. Okay, I have reduced the zoom, so let's just see if I can see more of the tail in this ISO. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah. The zoom was better actually, but anyway, you can see. So now I have gone to the maximum zoom, 300 millimeter for this telephoto lens. Let's just see how it is. Yeah, let's just go in the image and see what we are seeing here. Yeah, impressive, impressive. I'm really pleased. Of course, the dark cloud is coming near the comet, gradually may cover it, so it may not be visible for a while, or for tonight at least, because it's going to set anyway. It's going lower and lower. It's in the Serpent constellation, between the Serpent and the Corona Borealis. Yeah, you can see that the Canon has also picked it in its lowest zoom power. That's, I think, 73 millimeter. Okay, the clouds are coming. I'll take another image and just see what will be next. Yeah, the clouds have covered it. So that's it, tonight finished. Yeah, the comet is now hidden by the cloud.